Hey there, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today, we're going to talk about something really interesting: how to create engaging YouTube videos that keep your audience hooked. As you all know, YouTube is a platform where you can share your knowledge, creativity, and skills with the world. But with millions of videos being uploaded every day, it's important to create content that stands out from the crowd. So, in this video, we'll be sharing some tips and tricks on how to create amazing YouTube videos that get noticed. Tip 1. Know your audience. The first and foremost thing you need to do is to know your audience. Who are they? What do they like? What are their interests? Knowing your audience will help you tailor your content to their needs and preferences. For example, if your audience is interested in fitness, you can create videos that focus on workout routines, healthy eating habits, and so on. Tip 2. Plan your content. Once you know your audience, the next step is to plan your content. What topics do you want to cover? What kind of videos do you want to create? Planning your content in advance will help you stay organized and ensure that you don't run out of ideas. You can also create a content calendar to help you stay on track. Tip 3. Make it engaging. To keep your audience hooked, you need to make your videos engaging. Use visuals, animations, and music to make your videos more interesting. You can also add humor, tell stories, or ask questions to keep your audience engaged. The more engaging your videos are, the more likely your audience will watch them till the end. Tip 4. Be consistent. Consistency is key when it comes to creating YouTube videos. You need to upload videos on a regular basis to keep your audience interested. You can create a schedule and stick to it. For example, you can upload a new video every week or twice a month. This will help your audience know when to expect new content from you. Tip 5. Engage with your audience. Last but not least, engage with your audience. Respond to their comments, ask for feedback, and interact with them on social media. Building a relationship with your audience will help you create a loyal following and increase your subscribers. Conclusion. So, there you have it, our top tips on how to create amazing YouTube videos. Remember, knowing your audience, planning your content, making it engaging, being consistent, and engaging with your audience are the keys to success on YouTube. We hope you found this video helpful. If you have any other tips or tricks, feel free to share them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.